New squat rack has just arrived.
Look at that smile on his face.
Thanks, Dilo. You too.
That's the old rack.
That's Tez's rack. This is my rack that I'm replacing, and it's alright, but it's a bit wobbly.
So here is the old rack.
Big reveal, yeah. Try to It's actually pretty fucking big. Holy shit. It's bigger than I was expecting it would be. Oh no, these are the safeties.
Look at them.
That is a safety. So these are the old safeties, and these are the new safeties. It's pretty big. Yeah. J-cups. So old ones, new ones, supports. That's actually part of the rack.
Yeah, first item of rackage.
Nice.
Deadlift jack.
Deadlift jack.
Nice! Wow, that's fucking a lot bigger. You versus the guy she told you not to worry about.
No, these are the sides. Ah, chin up bar.
Alright, Mary Poppins.
Okay. Go down there, and there'll be a brown garage on your right. Me and Andy are in there making a squat rack.
My hand.
Lefty.
10 plates rather. Grand's worth of plates. Don't buy Bitcoin, buy Rogue plates and just trade them.
Imagine if you had that made of gold.
Feed your brain.
The numbers are making sense.
We're leaving it here because we haven't got a big enough spanner. You headbutted a kid? When did you do that?
No, I didn't. I've never done that. I've never performed an act of aggression on another human being. These will probably like de-thread as well.
Oh shit, Tesco's failed us, despite my amazing singing. Oh, this looks like the place we need to be. I've got one.
I reckon it's the biggest one.
One from. Oh no, you're right.
Yes.
It's the biggest
Still
one.
like 14 quid. 24 mil.
Home base delivered when Tesco failed.
Yeah.
To be fair,
That was not.
that is a specific. How slow's your heart rate?
0.
56 BPM right now.
56 BPM, and you're like doing vigorous exercise right now.
Mine's constantly like.
You have a friend.
Yeah, nice.
Should we lean that against?
And like I went and saw him. He's a big rugby. Like I was like, Christian, what? No.
Shit.
2.
We almost have a rack.
Just go to base with the chain on.
You gotta do 220 right now.
Tomorrow.
Oh my god! What are you doing?
It is big. Cool.
Easy, come on, man. Yeah.
He's fucking going home!